How to cancel MGM Plus subscriptions. First of all, launch the Play Store application in your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon from the top right corner. From here, tap on Payments and Subscription. Here again, tap on Subscriptions. Now under this page, you will find the active subscriptions, expired or cancelled subscription, and the history of your subscriptions. From there, go to your active subscriptions. Under that, you will see your MGM Plus subscriptions. Tap on it, and once you open it up, if you navigate at the bottom of this interface, there you will have a cancel subscriptions button or option. Tap on it. Once you tap on cancel subscriptions, you will get a confirmation box. There, confirm your subscriptions. And once you confirm it, your MGM Plus subscriptions is now cancelled. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.